Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads on your Android phone. So if you swipe down from the top left, you can see all these notifications that are popping up, and it's super annoying. So we can just clear it out right here. Otherwise, there's an option to go to notification settings right there. So we want to go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down, and look for notifications. Choose this, then go to app notifications, and just simply turn off any notification from any application that's annoying you. So AZ screen recorder, probably don't need a notification for that. Google Chrome, don't need a notification for that. Contacts, Epic Games. So anything like Facebook Messenger you might want on, or your messages you might want on. Gmail, you can decide if you want that on or off. So if something keeps showing up under your notification list, like this Google thing, what is that Google? I'm just going to turn that off so I don't see it. So then I won't see that notification from Google popping up, and it looks like weather is on there too. I can turn that off. So just go through this entire list, and you can just turn off everything. But you probably want like your messages and your calls popping up for notifications. Otherwise, you might miss a call from those. Photos down here, I don't know if I need a notification for that. So leave on phone notifications and your message notifications, and you should be good. And you can probably turn off everything else except maybe your email too. So look through here and decide that. Now another thing you have to look at is your web browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, go to the top right, go to settings. So hit the three dots or the three lines and go to settings. And there's usually like a pop-up kind of deal in here where you can turn off pop-up notifications in your web browser. So we can go to site settings now. Scroll on down under here, and here's notifications. We can just go to do not allow sites to send notifications, and we can turn off all notifications from just Google Chrome. And scroll on down under here, and there should be one more options for pop-up and redirects. So we can just go to don't allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects. So if we're having an issue with just Google Chrome, then we have intrusive ads right here. Ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive stuff. Okay, so that's good. And then we can scroll on down and see if there's anything else that we want to turn on. Another thing is to go to your apps list, and if you see any kind of apps that you just don't recognize, maybe you downloaded something by accident and this caused a bunch of notifications. So we can just go to apps right here, scroll through your apps list, and just see maybe there's an option on your phone to go to the most recent installed or last updated, last used, or something like that. So you might have that option just to find them easy. Just go through this list and delete anything you don't recognize or anything that might have been installed recently. So digital well-being, I don't know if I use this at all, but I think this came with my phone. So we can scroll on down. Galaxy avatars, I think that came with my phone too, so I'm not able to uninstall it. But let's go on down and see if there's anything on here. I would love to, what is this, Knox Matrix? I think this came with my phone because there's no option to uninstall. So just go through here. Could be like a game or something that's annoying the heck out of you. Then also go to the Google Play Store and type in, under search, AVG. AVG. Get AVG antivirus for Android, and then you can see what it looks like, AVG, and open this up. And this is going to quarantine any kind of viruses that may have accidentally downloaded to. So if you get a bunch of pop-ups or something like that, and I'm going to go to don't allow, and then you just have to accept the permissions. Oh, it looks like we have to allow that. And then just hit the X, and then you can just do a quick scan. So if you have any kind of viruses or anything like that, continue with ads. It should be able to find those and just get off there. So you have to accept the permissions. Now it's scanning for viruses, and it should quarantine those and get those off my phone. So you can look at that as well. Now if you're getting a bunch of pop-ups when you're browsing the internet, if Google Chrome isn't sufficient, try looking for a different one under the Google Play Store. There's tons of them, and some of them might provide better protection than others. Also, I have my Samsung internet browser. I could try this one out too and just see if this one's a little bit better. But if you're not happy with the current pop-up status on your current internet browser, try a different one under the Google Play Store. There's tons of them. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.